Hello friends, today we are dealing with the reactions of pentose phosphate pathway. This pathway is divided into three stages, that is oxidative phase, isomerization and epimerization reaction, and non-oxidative phase. First is oxidative phase. Glucose 6 phosphate is oxidized by glucose 6 phosphate dehydrogenase to 6 phosphogluconolactone, and this is then hydrolyzed by lactonase to 6 phosphogluconate. 6 phosphogluconate is subsequently converted to ribulose 5 phosphate by the enzyme 6 phosphogluconate dehydrogenase. Second is isomerization and epimerization reaction. Ribulose 5 phosphate is converted to ribose 5 phosphate by isomerization and into its epimer xylulose 5 phosphate by enzyme phosphopentose isomerase and enzyme phosphopentose epimerase respectively. Third is non-oxidative phase. The enzyme transketolase catalyzes the transfer of 2 carbon moiety from xylulose 5 phosphate to ribose 5 phosphate to give glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate and pseudoheptulose 7 phosphate. Transaldolase brings about the transfer of 3 carbon fragment from pseudoheptulose 7 phosphate to glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate to give fructose 6 phosphate and erythrose 4 phosphate. Transketolase acts on xylulose 5 phosphate and erythrose 4 phosphate to generate fructose 6 phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate. Fructose 6 phosphate and glyceraldehyde 3 phosphate can be further catabolized through glycolysis and citric acid cycle or may be regenerated into glucose. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks for watching.